Want to create a stunning emerald treasure box that looks like it holds the secrets of an enchanted forest? Today, I'm transforming this simple silicone mold into a gorgeous mountain-topped trinket dish that sparkles with magical green and silver highlights. Wait until you see how these colors dance in the light. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Look at this amazing silicone mold I'm working with today. It creates this beautiful square trinket dish that's perfect for storing jewelry, crystals, or any special treasures you want to display. The magic of this project is in these two pieces. The base container filled with this breathtaking mixture of green, silver, and gold cellophane glitter that creates such depth and dimension. I used Let's Resin Epoxy, which gives us that perfect crystal clear finish to really showcase all that sparkle. And check out this lid. Those mountain ridges look absolutely magical with the green and holographic silver chrome powders from Let's Resin. I've highlighted all those peaks and valleys to create this ethereal landscape effect that catches the light in the most incredible way. When these two pieces come together, you get this stunning emerald treasure box that looks like something straight out of a fantasy world. The contrast between the textured mountaintop and the glitter-filled base creates such a unique piece that's both functional and absolutely gorgeous. Let me walk you through exactly how I created this stunning piece so you can make your very own enchanted trinket dish. See how these colors dance in the light. Now let's add some magical details to our mountain landscape lid. First, I'm grabbing this gorgeous holographic silver chrome powder from Let's Resin. Watch how I carefully dust it along these mountain ridge lines and peaks. I'm making sure to get down into all those little creases and crevices. This creates that perfect snowy mountain cap effect. Isn't it amazing how the silver catches the light? Next, I'm taking this vibrant green chrome powder and applying it to the rest of the lid surface. This creates such a beautiful contrast against those silver highlights and really brings our mountain landscape to life. The green gives that lush, forest-like appearance to the lower mountain areas. The combination of these two colors creates such dimension. It really looks like we're gazing down at a miniature mountain range with snow-capped peaks. And the best part is how simple this technique is, yet it creates such a stunning visual effect. All right, time to mix up our epoxy and bring this project to life. I've prepared some Let's Resin epoxy for both pieces, but I'm using different approaches for each part to create a beautiful contrast. For our mountain lid, I've decided to use Let's Resin Black as the base. This dark background is going to make those silver peaks and green landscapes absolutely pop. The black creates this dramatic effect that really showcases all the detail work we just did with the chrome powders. For the bottom container, I'm keeping it crystal clear with transparent resin. Why? Because I'm about to add this gorgeous cellophane glitter mix that has those stunning green, silver, and gold tones. The clear resin will let all that sparkle shine through from every angle. Oh, and here's a cool little secret about this mold design. These boxes are actually stackable. You can create multiple trinket boxes in different colors and stack them to create a gorgeous tower display. Each box sits perfectly on top of another, so you can build your collection over time. I'll be showing more designs in this series in upcoming videos, so definitely subscribe if you want to see the complete tower set come together. And just a quick heads up, don't forget to mark your calendars, crafty friends. I upload new videos every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's 3 chances each week to get your creative inspiration fix. And honestly, I never quite know what I'll be creating next. My mind tends to wander down all sorts of creative paths, which means my content is always fresh and unexpected. One day we might be making resin trinket boxes, the next day could be something completely different that caught my imagination. That's the fun part of this creative journey. Even I'm sometimes surprised by where my creativity takes me. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on whatever crafty adventure we embark on next. And please, 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 I absolutely love hearing your comments. Let me know what you think of today's project, share your own creations, or just say hello. Your feedback means the world to me and helps inspire future videos. See you next time. Same crafty channel, same crafty time. I want to express my deepest and most sincere appreciation to all my wonderful subscribers who have been with me throughout this creative journey, and extend a particularly warm welcome to those marvelous individuals who are discovering my channel for the first time today. My absolute passion and commitment is centered around producing content that not only inspires, but truly entertains, spanning everything from intricate resin art demonstrations to comprehensive step-by-step crafting tutorials for creators at every skill level. This artistic adventure we're sharing together is genuinely fueled by your incredible enthusiasm and engagement. I simply couldn't continue creating these projects without your amazing support and encouragement along the way. If you've been enjoying these creative explorations but haven't yet joined our crafting community officially, I'd be so grateful if you'd consider hitting that subscribe button below. Remember, subscribing is completely free and takes just a moment of your time, but makes an enormous difference to independent content creators like myself. Your subscription is genuinely one of the most powerful ways to support my ongoing efforts to bring you quality content consistently. Additionally, taking a second to like these videos sends a crucial signal to YouTube's algorithm that this content provides real value, which helps these tutorials reach an even wider audience of fellow crafting enthusiasts. I absolutely love hearing your thoughts, questions, and creative ideas in the comment section. It's where our community truly comes alive with shared inspiration. Please feel free to share your reactions or ask about anything that sparked your curiosity. Thank you tremendously for your continued support throughout this creative journey. Your presence and engagement truly mean absolutely everything to me and fuel my passion to keep creating and sharing. All right, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's demold this beauty and see how our trinket box turned out. I'm starting with the bottom piece. Oh my goodness, would you look at that sparkle? The way that cellophane glitter catches the light is absolutely mesmerizing. Those colors are dancing together perfectly. The emerald green base with those flashes of gold and silver creates such depth and dimension. It's like looking into a magical forest pool. Now for the exciting part. Let's unveil our mountain lid. Wow, these mountains turned out even better than I imagined. See how that silver chrome powder created those perfect snowy peaks along all the ridge lines? The contrast against the deep green valleys is so realistic, it really captures that majestic mountain landscape feel. And the best part? Watch how perfectly these two pieces fit together. The lid sits snugly on the base, creating this gorgeous treasure box that's both beautiful and functional. I'm absolutely in love with how this turned out. The combination of the sparkly, gem-like base with that textured mountaintop creates such a unique piece. This would make a perfect gift or a special place to store your favorite treasures. And remember, this is just the beginning of our stackable box collection. Thanks for being here with me today. It truly makes a difference. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay updated on all the latest content. Can't wait to share more amazing videos with you. See you in the next one.